Hello everyone, this is Shikha. Now it's time to move towards the textual part of our poem, Keeping Quiet of our ghost book, Flamingo. Hello everyone, now we reach to the textual part of the poem, Keeping Quiet of our ghost book, Vistas. Question number 1. What will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? Counting up to 12 takes very short time. Keeping still for this brief interval of time gives us a momentary pause to introspect and review the course of our action. It is generally observed that most of the ills and troubles of the world are caused by a rush or hurry. Violence is caused by anger. Keeping quiet and still will give us necessary respite and ensure peace. So, what is the meaning of counting 12 or keeping still, according to the poet? Means counting 12 means doesn't means you are doing counting from 1 to 12. No, for counting 12 means keeping all the months, means keeping patience in your mind for a while. You are going to keep yourself stand still, means at that time when you are doing this counting, means when you are pausing for a while, you are doing no activity, means at this time you can think over your action, that will force you to analyze your action, that whatever the action you are doing, are they creating any harmful effect on the other person or not. Okay, whatever the troubles you are facing in doing your activity, whatever the troubles faced by other peoples, they all things will come in your mind, and all the troubles, then you can imagine that yes, all the troubles whatever we are doing with the activity, that is just because of our rush, our hurry, our anger, a type of violence is there. Okay, so you will think over that and try to keep avoid all these things that is creating a type of negative effect. So by keeping quiet, you can do all these necessary things and you can keep peace. Question number 2. Do you think the poet advocates total inactivity and death? No, he doesn't advocate either total inactivity or death. He makes it quite clear that stillness should not be confused with total inactivity or equated to it. Total inactivity brings death, but Neruda has no truck with death. His stillness means halted for harmful and hostile human activities. So, the word inactivity and death, what is the meaning of the uses of these words by poet? So, the poet is not saying that stop doing each and every type of activity because it is creating harm to anyone. No. If you are doing nothing, you are going to be inactive, and inactive is just same like a dead person. If that person is not doing something, and if you are being alive not doing something, that what is the difference between them? So poet is not doing to be inactive, poet is just saying to be have the patience for some time, to stop and think for some time, that whatever the activities you are doing, that should not be the cause of harm. Okay, so no truck with death means you are not going to stop doing your activities, but you have to be stilled for a while to see the harmful effect of your activities. Question number 3. What is the sadness that the poet refers to in the poem? Man's sadness is formed out of his own actions and thoughts. It is quite ironic that man who understands so much fails to understand himself and his actions. Rash actions prove harmful and disastrous. Man is a creator of all the disastrous. He is always threatening himself with death because of his thought and actions. This is the tragedy of his life. Now, what is the meaning of sadness? From where the sadness has come and who is responsible for the sadness? So, poet is saying sadness is nothing but is self created by the human being. Sadness, you create the sadness and you are going to survive in the sadness, you are going to bear with the sadness. Why? Because all the disastrous, when the things that is going to be in a negative manner, the negativity brings sadness, fine, then who is creating negative manner? You. the human being, they are with their action creating a type of environment that creates a negative feeling, and this negative feeling brings sadness. So only being is responsible for their own sadness. This is a type of threatening ourselves, means you are just going near to the death before the time by bringing these negative things in your mind. So this is the real tragedy of your life, that only man is creating, only man is responsible for his sadness, and they are blaming each other. Last one question. What symbol from nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be life under apparent stillness? The poet wants to prove that there can be a life under apparent stillness. The poet invokes the earth as a living symbol to prove his point. The earth never attains total inactivity. Nature remains at work all the time, even under apparent stillness. It keeps earth alive. This idea of beautifully illustrated by the following lines, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Now, what is the symbol, means why the poet has given the example of nature, that we should learn from nature, because nature is the biggest teacher for every living being. We can learn so many things from nature. There is a time of stillness during the winter season, but see, the time is come, the happiness time, the lifeness time, the liveliness time will come when the spring season came. So nature always occupies itself everywhere. It doesn't mean that in winter season everything stops working. No, the life cannot stop anytime. We means there are type of stillness do come in the winter season, but it yet the nature keep on working all the time, it never be inactive totally. So same as we are not going to be inactive ourselves, but we have to make ourselves stand still for some time to just think on our action, so that our action will be beneficial for all the other person, and that doesn't create a harmful effect on the nature as well as on the other creatures. And the beautiful lines, as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive, has been given in this poem, means if you are sometime feeling sadness, then please don't worry about this. Keep doing your activity, keep doing some good deeds, good actions, and the happiness will definitely come to your home, come to your door. So here we have completed all the textual question. Please go through the easy explanation instead of the critical language that is shown in the answers. You are going to complete all the answers very easily. So here we have completed. So that's it for today. We'll meet again.